Namaste yogis, I hope everyone's doing wonderful. Welcome to today's very short but really effective 5-minute guided meditation that you can use every single morning or anytime you feel like you need that reset button throughout your day. Little bit of a boost of positivity, kind of coming back to yourself, raising your vibrations. Use this 5 minutes to yourself to really make a difference throughout your day. So comfortably sitting in a posture on your chair or on the floor, Sukhasana, closing your eyes. Let's take a moment to center ourselves and ground ourselves as you take a deep breath in. And exhale, let it go through the mouth, side out. 2 more times. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Using these beautiful few, very short minutes, impactful, powerful minutes to come back to yourself, to feel like yourself again. Sometimes life is just really chaotic, changes, fluctuations. And that's when we take a little bit of time to connect back to our heart, our purpose, and our own inner strength. So I invite you to repeat these affirmations, either verbally or mentally, whatever you're comfortable, sinking in all of this beautiful positive energy, letting it really glide within your being. I am at peace with myself and others. There may be changes in my life, but I'm able to graciously dance through the movie of life. I am so powerful and confident in my decisions. I am emotionally independent and strong. The remote control of my own happiness lies in my hands. I am confident. I'm clear, not confused. I am rooted, grounded, and balanced. I am so grateful for all of the beauty and the blessings in my life. Sometimes I forget how beautiful life is, but I take this time to connect back to all my blessings. Life may not always go as per my plan, but I trust the process of life. Whatever is happening to me is for my highest good. I am healthy and happy. I am content within myself. I am blessed, forever blessed. I am an ever-flowing waterfall of love and a beautiful presence on earth. May there be peace, nothing but peace. Every day is an opportunity to improve myself and truly enjoy the process of life, the gift of life. I make use of every day. Every day is a new chance, a new me. I am forever blessed. I am a child of God. God only sends battles to His strongest soldiers. I have full faith and I release all fears. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your hands to your heart center, Namaskara, prayer position. Bow your head down, feeling renewed, rejuvenated, relaxed. Opening up your eyes. Don't forget that life is so lovely, beautiful. We all go through our own sets of challenges, but let's hold each other's hands. Let's really grind through it and make our lives beautiful, and not just ours, but everyone around us, through the practices of yoga, breath, meditation, and any question, any way I can help you on your journey, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. I'd be more than honored to be on your journey and help however I possibly can. Namaste, everyone. See you in the next one.